Hello everyone, it's me Harsha. Today I'll quickly show one useful feature inside LemTask, which is the task search and filter view. Where there are only two or three tasks, it is usually to find what we do. But when many tasks are added, the task list can become difficult to manage. We may need to find a specific task, check only urgent work, or see tasks assigned to a certain person. That's where search and filter become very helpful. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use the search bar and filters inside the LemTask to find tasks faster. Okay, so first I am on the task LemTask website. I'll click on sign in or like get started depending on what is visible on the screen. Let me get in. Like once I get logged in, I land on the main dashboard. As we can see here, I can see the task list. This may include different tasks related to like testing, development, content, design, or like daily work. Now let's say I want to find one specific task. Instead of scrolling through the full list, I'll go to the search bar at the top of the task page and like click on shows the match of the keyword. Yeah, let me search the task. Now I look at the bottom called as filter. Okay, you can see here filter option. Yeah, I click on that. We get to see this like high priority, then comes like pending, what to do. This helps me to only tasks that are still need work. If I want to check completed work, I can click on completed. That is also like can be done. Now let's say I want to check task assigned to a specific team member. I'll open the assignee filter, then select the person's name. Now lemta shows only the task connected to the team member. This is very helpful for teams because managers and team members can e- like quickly check who is working on what. The best part is that search and filters save time. Instead of scrolling or like asking others, I can quickly find exact task I wanted to do. This feature is also useful during daily reviews. For example, I can filter today's pending tasks, check urgent tasks, or find testing related tasks before starting work. So the quickly recap, first I logged into the task, then like open the dashboard. After that I used to search bar to find a task by keyword. Then I use filters to sort tasks by priority, status, or like due dates or like assignee. That's a quick look at the task search and filter view inside LemTask. This feature helps users find tasks faster, manage large task lists, check important works, and stay more organized during daily works. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching.